Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Slack alerts for Shopify order updates, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your Shopify admin and log into your account. Navigate to the Apps section on the left sidebar. In the Apps section, click on Visit the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Slack and hit Enter. Locate the Slack integration app and click on it. Click the Add App button to install the Slack integration. Follow the prompts to connect your Slack account to Shopify. Once connected, return to your Shopify admin. On the left sidebar, click on Settings. Within the Settings menu, find and select Notifications. Scroll down, click on Create a webhook. In the drop-down menu, select the event type for order updates. For example, choose Order Creation or Order Fulfillment. In the URL field, enter the URL provided by your Slack app. Set the content type to application/JSON. Click Save Webhook to complete the setup. Now switch to your Slack workspace. In Slack, go to the channel where you want to receive alerts. Use the / command and type add an app, find Shopify and click to install it if you haven't already. Once added, configure the app settings to match your preferences. Make sure to test the alert by placing a test order in Shopify. Check your Slack channel to confirm the alert is received. If the alert doesn't appear, revisit your configurations in both Shopify and Slack. Once confirmed, you can customize alerts as needed for different order statuses. Congratulations, you have successfully configured Slack alerts for Shopify order updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.